Now, many audits are not just an audit of a single entity, but may include a group of subsidiaries or other consolidating entities, what we refer to as a group audit. So once we are dealing with a group audit, there are two different potential auditor classes we have to deal with. And I use the word classes because although on the left-hand side you see the single group auditor, it's important to note that on the right might be one or many component auditors depending on how many different components are going to be subject to differing audit procedures. Let's start at the top, which deals with the communication requirements for the group auditor, and particularly the group audit partner, to communicate out to the component auditor or auditors. First, how will the group make use of the component auditor? Remember that component auditors can be used comprehensively to audit a full entity, or may be targeted to perform audit-level procedures only on specific accounts or transaction types. Second, what are the relevant ethical requirements, in particular the independence requirements the component auditor must adhere to because of who the group auditor is and where the audit report is being conducted? Third, provide the components a list of related parties. That way, if they note transactions involving them, they'll be able to flag and alert us to them. And finally, identifying any significant risks that have relevance to the component auditor or auditors. In return, the component auditors also have communication responsibilities of their own. The first two are ones that broadly should be communicated. First, their confirmation that they are willing to play ball and cooperate with the group audit's requirements. And secondly, if they come across any related parties that the group auditor's list did not include, that they will make us aware of them in turn. The final 3 points deal with what the component auditor should communicate when they've concluded their component audit. First, confirmation that they have in fact complied with all relevant ethical and independence requirements. Second, a clear-cut identification of what they audited. And third, their findings, which should include some sort of report or opinion. By keeping these lines of communication open allows the group auditor to maintain the appropriate level of control over the group audit process and ensure timely completion of the audit as a whole.